English Language Arts, 2nd grade. Ask and answer such questions as who, what, where, when, why, and how to demonstrate understanding of key details in a text. The objective, the students will be able to know who George Washington is, when he was president, what he is famous for, and why he is so important to our nation's history. Today we are going to be talking about George Washington, America's first president. George Washington was born February 22nd, 1732 in Virginia. He once had smallpox, but he had survived. There is a tale that George Washington chopped down a cherry tree, then immediately ran and told his mother, thus noting that he could not tell a lie. After his brother died, he decided to move to his home called Mount Vermont. He was assigned to lead the Continental Army during the Revolutionary War. Washington managed to lead the army to win key victories, which caused the British Army to eventually surrender in 1781. He also fought in the French and Indian War. Due to this massive success leading the army, he was voted to be our nation's first president. George Washington was president during the years of 1789 through 1797. In both elections, he was unanimously voted by all members of the Electoral College. George Washington formalized Thanksgiving by making it a national holiday, and he died 3 years after leaving office at Mount Vermont at the age of 67. Now for some questions. Where was George Washington born? Was he born in Fresno, Maryland, Tennessee, or Virginia? George Washington was born in Virginia. Question number 2. What holiday did George Washington formalize? Was it Valentine's Day, President's Day, or Thanksgiving? The answer is Thanksgiving. Third question. What did George Washington lead? Was it the Redcoats, the Continental Army, or the British Army? George Washington had led the Continental Army. George Washington was our first president and was elected because he led our army to victory during the Revolutionary War. Students now have learned who George Washington is, where he became president, what he is famous for, and why he is important to our nation's history.